And we're back. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for checking out my channel. Again, I'm Corey Norris with another update on how my lead gen secret and Chat GPT is merging together and making me sales every time, or even bringing just leads with my lead gen secret, which is a mailer platform base that gives you 100 to 200 leads every day, depending on if you're affiliate for the program, which they have a 5 level deep commission base as an affiliate. For every person you bring on, you get a extra bonus of 100 leads. So that could be up to 300 leads a day on autopilot to email whatever campaign, we email whatever offer or promotion that you have. So I've been working with a promotion called My Six Figure Blueprint, and I've been sending that offer to the leads through my lead gen secret. I have the description down in the bottom for my lead gen secret and the link, and I have the link down for the offer that I've been sending to my lead gen secret. So here it is. Check out the video. Remember, like and subscribe. Let's get it. Ready to get into it. Let's go. So, and we back. Is my lead gen secret converting offers into sales? Well, that's what we want to find out, and make sure that this is a great way of traffic to any offer that you have to promote, even with it promoting itself. So nobody's a dollar sign. I just want to run over and show you on August 12th, 2023, which is yesterday. We got to sign up. Congratulations to David Higley from getting started with us. Take you into the dashboard of one of my primary offers. As you can see, I got one referral, a $5 total commission. He came through the 6-figure feeder, and as you can see here, I made a $5 commission off of the 6-figure feeder. He's now going to have the ability to generate leverage every time that he make a sale. I'll make a $5 sale, and when his lead make a sale, he'll make a $5 sale off of the 5-figure feeder. There's a link in the description if you want to check out the quick 8-minute video on how the 6-figure feeder work. So back to the question at hand. Where did this lead come from? I have only been promoting this offer to my lead gen secret. We'll go over into my back office. So as of 8:10 and 8:11, I've been sending Chat GPT accumulated emails through this offer base to see how good it works in converting in sales. So as of yesterday, this one was through Chat GPT and a email formula called ADA with the open rate of 331, a clicked 29, open rate 12%, and a click-through rate 9%. As you can see, I've showed you in my dashboard, I generated a sale actually using my lead gen secret. Again, this is the only traffic source that I've been testing this offer to, well, here in YouTube, but mainly this is the only traffic source that I've been using. So we're going to go into my mailer. I'm going to select all. Right now I have 3,000 email to be able to market to. This system gives you 100 leads per day. So as you can see, the 13th, the 12th, the 11th, the 10th, the 9th, the 8th, I've had 100 leads. And when you promote this offer and somebody join with you, you'll get an extra bonus 200 leads. So that's 300 leads a day to be able to promote any offer to. And as you can see, the offer that I've been promoting through my lead gen secret has been converting. So I'm gonna pull up my little notepad here, and on this notepad is the chat GPT generated emails that I've formulated, so that way we can send it out through my lead gen secret and see how it's working. So I'm gonna grab this subject line here, and I already put all the little tabs. You see as here's first name, all the little indicators, so that when these emails go out, will list the person by the first name. So we'll click there. What I like about this feature, once you submit an email, it'll go in here into like a Rolodex of emails. So if you want to use that same campaign that's been working, you can click it, hit reload, and resend the same email back out through these leads. Remember, every day you get 100 new leads. That's 100 new people to be able to campaign through. Let's get this off of here. Yeah. Just do it the slow way. Why not, right? Alright, here we go. And we got a clean sheet. So again, we're going to jump into the notepad here. And I'm going to start off with, hey, first name. And the body of the email, I've embedded my name in here already. We're going to copy and paste. Copy and paste makes everything so simple, right? Now everything is pasted in there. We're going to press OK. And come here. Separate my name, and we're gonna just go through here and we're gonna spread this email out a little bit. And what's the reason for spreading it out? It actually helps you gain more focus to be able to read down instead of all the way across through the email. Within this system, it actually have a really good training program on how to be able to set your emails up for success, and how to build an email campaign when you get started with my lead gen secret. So we're gonna delete that, and that's where my affiliate link is gonna go. And we're all ready. So in here I'm gonna put in now. We're going to fill in all the rest of these little spots here. So here, ready to stop, opt out, path to full-time income generated online. Your journey starts now. That sounds like a call to action to me, so I'm going to hyperlink journey starts now. I'm going to come over to the link, and I'm going to paste my URL right there. So we're going to run back to this notepad. And I have my URL right here. We're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it. And hit OK. So now that's hyperlinked to my web page, which is a done for you web page through the system, the six-figure feeder. So if you're not tech savvy, the six-figure feeder offer done for you web pages will go and check that out right now. If we go in here to the dashboard, hit my links, I can go through a six-figure feeder sales page. When you come in through the six-figure feeder, you're gonna get 3 highly optimized capture pages. When you start in at the My Six-Figure Blueprint, they're gonna double up and give you 6, and you'll be able to make your own capture pages. All these capture pages you can edit and make into your own capture pages. You can make your own bridge pages, edit all these, so that way you can make a video sales letter with this. Let's go back over to the mailing system. So right up under here, because these are cold leads, they really don't know you. So what we want to do is we want to warm them up, and the way we're going to do that, so we're going to put a picture. I'm going to go here to images, back down to my notepad, and I'm going to grab this picture here, copy, I'm going to drop it into the URL box. Within this system, they teach you how to take a regular picture and turn it into a HTTPS link, so that way you'll be able to drop your picture into the box or any other picture, or if you have like payment proofs or anything, you drop those in there and send them in through your email. And what I want to do is make this picture a clickable link, so I'm going to hit link. I'm going to go back here, I'm going to re-grab that cell that link to the six-figure feeder. We're going to drop it in here. We're going to ask it to give us a new window to go to, and I'm going to hit OK. So that just made that picture clickable. Alright, so now what I like to do is test it, make sure everything is working, and bam, it goes right to that sales page. I'm going to go out of there, I'm going to test this clickable link, and again, right to the sales page. And if they click on that picture, again, right to the sales page. And because it is a little late here, I'm going to hit perfect time. So within the system, it already know what time that these leads open up their mail and read the email. So we're going to hit perfect time, so it'll send out at a perfect time and send mail. Just a second here, it's gonna so my messages have been sent. The next time I can mail out is in the next 24 hours. And that's it. This is the third campaign of the ChatGPT formulated email swipes. And let's see if it can generate another sale through my lead gen secret. I do have a link down at the bottom for my lead gen secret if you want to give this video, quick overview video, a good watch, see if this is the right fit for you, if this tracking source can actually help you gain more leads and sales in your business too. Again, that link is down in the bottom of the description, and also I'm going to leave the link to the My Six Figure Blueprint, so that way you can get started with the My Six Figure Blueprint. If you want to check this out, there is a free video to the six-figure marketing system and a six-figure feeder in the bottom, and the links in the bottom of the video. And thanks for watching and hanging out with me today. Alright, I'm out of here. Go do something with your kids. Play with your, go have fun with your family. I know I am. I'm out. Peace.